So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to open a high interest USD savings account here on Wealthsimple. So once Wealthsimple is opened up, I want you to go ahead here on the main screen, just scroll down to the bottom to where it says add an account and then press on that. Then where it says add an account, press on open a new account. Once you're on this page, simply just scroll down to the second option to where it says USD savings, save and earn 3.5% interest in US dollars. So if you have a lot of United States dollars and you want to have a savings account here in Canada, this could be potentially a perfect option for you. Go ahead and press on this. Now, once you're here, it says USD savings, grow a US dollar savings with high interest and no monthly fees. You can go ahead and earn 3.5% interest, transfer, move US dollars, no monthly account fees or minimum balance. And if all looks good, you want to proceed, go to the bottom, press and open up an account, and there you go. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to open a high interest USD savings account on Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.